Unlock a treasure trove of earnings on Fiverr with the AI genius of ChatGPT. Ready to jazz up your gigs with AI sparkle and stand out in the crowded marketplace? Stay tuned! The game changer is just a click away. Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Today, we're merging the freelancing goldmine of Fiverr with the tech marvel ChatGPT. Stick with us till the end. This blend of AI and gig economy is something you wouldn't want to miss, as it's poised to ramp up your freelancing game. Are you in the loop about the buzzing freelance platform Fiverr? It's a haven for freelancers to offer their skills and rake in a decent income. Now, ever heard of ChatGPT? It's this trailblazing AI by OpenAI that's got the tech world talking. ChatGPT is an avant-garde language model. It's like having a chat with a human, but it's a machine. Its knack for spewing out human-like responses makes it a star in automating communication tasks. Now imagine marrying the freelance haven of Fiverr with the AI genius of ChatGPT. You've got yourself a power duo to jazz up your gigs and stand out in the crowded Fiverr marketplace. With ChatGPT in your toolkit, you can offer services on Fiverr that are a cut above the rest. Say you're a social media manager. ChatGPT can help you churn out personalized AI-generated captions for your clients' posts. It's about adding that extra AI sparkle to what you offer. Engagement is the currency of the freelancing world. And ChatGPT can be your wingman or wingbot, should I say, in engaging with your clients on Fiverr. It acts as your virtual aide, fielding client queries with prompt and accurate responses. This smooth communication paves the way to better customer satisfaction and those coveted positive reviews. Let's talk about the gift of time. ChatGPT can take over the routine tasks and customer queries, unshackling your time for more high-value work. It's about smart work, not just hard work. Ready to integrate ChatGPT into your Fiverr gigs? Start with crafting a gig description that's as enticing as a slice of cheesecake. Highlight the AI-powered features you bring to the table. Use buzzwords like AI-enhanced or ChatGPT-powered to catch the eye of clients scouting for innovative services. It's about speaking their language and tickling their AI curiosity. Did we pique your interest? Stay curious with us. Hit subscribe, throw us a like, and ring that bell for a journey through more intriguing content. Shall we venture on? Now, how about offering personalized AI-generated deliverables? It could be anything from logos, slogans, to social media content. This AI touch can be a big draw for clients seeking fresh, high-quality deliverables. An AI-powered chat support could be your next move. Clients can interact with ChatGPT, getting their FAQs answered, or even simulating conversations for their products or services. It's about providing a seamless, interactive experience. Showcasing your previous AI-empowered projects is like giving clients a sneak peek into what you can deliver. It's your portfolio, but with a dash of AI magic. Include examples where your AI-generated content hit the nail on the head, benefiting your clients' businesses. It's about building that trust and showing them the AI ropes. The idea is to establish credibility and help potential clients visualize the value you're bringing to their projects. It's about not just telling, but showing what you can do. Now, harnessing the duo of Fiverr and ChatGPT is like unlocking a treasure trove of opportunities. It's about sailing into uncharted waters and discovering new horizons. Offering unique AI-enhanced services is your ticket to standing out amidst a sea of freelancers. It's about being the shiny object in a pool of generic offerings. Attracting more clients and boosting your income is the end game. And the trick is to keep refining and optimizing your gig description and offerings. It's a game of constant evolution. Remember, the needs of your target audience are like moving targets. They evolve, and your offerings should dance to the tune of their evolving needs. Embracing the potential of AI is like opening a new chapter in your Fiverr journey. It's about upping the ante and embarking on a path of endless possibilities. Now's the time to roll up your sleeves and start incorporating ChatGPT into your Fiverr gigs. It's about making the AI magic happen and watching the difference it makes. In conclusion, the synergy of Fiverr and ChatGPT is a game changer. It's not just about keeping up with the Joneses, but about sprinting ahead and carving out your unique spot in the Fiverr universe. Still with me? Your steadfastness is about to unlock a treasure. Delve into a free ebook, shedding light on the paramount online business to ignite today. Yet the allure extends even further. Beyond the ebook, a riveting 15-day challenge beckons, meticulously tailored for this digital odyssey. With savvy mentors, paradigm-shifting insights, and a suite of vital tools, your trajectory towards online grandeur is set. Feel the vibe of opportunity? Act with immediacy! Strike the link in the description right now and jet set towards a future of digital excellence. Closing the ledger on today's financial method. Tried, tested, or questioned. Pour your coins of thought into the comments. Did today's fiscal advice add up for you? Hit like to validate the data. Desiring more numerical know-how? Subscribe and click the bell, ensuring you're accounted for in every upload. But before you reconcile, see that video in the queue? It's another equation to bulk up your digital assets. Click, and let's continue calculating our path to prosperity together. Until the next balance sheet!